Hi, I'm Jenny Lovemeyer. We're here on the Culture Tour of 1990. So we've been through a lot of great locations. Really great to see the team members that have been around for so long. It does bring back a lot of memories of my dad, being able to hear from them what the impact is that he provided, and something that we're still focused on as a family. Get ready to hear from team members on how you can earn more and travel more.
Welcome to Loves. I am so excited about our Loves app. It is phenomenal. I love the fact that our customers can pay for showers, redeem showers, get free drink refills. Another great thing about the app is you get your receipt, so you don't have to have all those pieces of paper.
So when we have a customer come in on our diesel side and they're getting fuel, we definitely want to make sure that they have a loyalty redemption. This allows them to sign up on the app. They can also take the number of the back of the card and connect it. And through that platform, they're able to redeem showers, drink credits, and then they also have an excellent program where they can get discounted merchandise when they're in the store. They're also able to digitally access their receipt. That way, if they forget to grab it on their way out and they're traveling across country, they can just reference to that in their digital records through the app.